Question number 8. From the following information, prepare reconciliation of head office account in branch office book and branch office account in the head office book. Reconciliation. Then trading and profit and loss account for the head office for the year ended 31st December 2001 is supposed to be prepared. We have been given the information regarding head office and branch office. In case of independent branch, you have to prepare the trading and P&L account for HO and branch office parallelly. Okay. Now, what's the requirement? Okay, reconciliation and then prepare the trading and profit and loss account. Branch book shows head office account as 9,000 credit in the head office as well as in the branch office. Debit and credit. And head office balance, current account. In branch office, it shows 9,000 in the credit side. And then the head office book, branch account is appearing at 24,000. Branch office. So for head office, branch office is the asset, current asset like. For the branch office, HO will be the current liabilities like. These two values should match, but these two values not match. So almost 15,000 difference is there. Means the non-matching value could be due to goods in transit, cash in transit, proxy transactions. The branch receive all its supplies from the head office, which are invoiced at 25% over the cost. Okay. So from here to here, any goods transferred, cost plus 25%. That's how the goods are transferred, invoice price. During the year, the head office sent invoice rupees 1,04,500 to the branch. Head office credits its sales account with the invoice price of the goods sent to the branch. Okay. Now, the head office billed the branch for rupees 12,000 on 31st December 2001, representing the branch's share of the expenses incurred by the head office. The said expenses had not been recorded in the books of the branch. What happens if you record this in the books of branch? In the books of branch, HO as well as branch. In branch, the entry will be expenses account debit to HO. The value being 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees. The expenses of the branch are met by the head office from time to time for which cash is sent in advance to the branch. A sum of rupees 3,000 sent to the branch by the head office on 29th December 2001. In this connection was received by the branch on 3rd January 2002. HO sends the cash but not received by the branch office. Branch office receives only on 3rd January. Then it remains what? Cash in transit to HO. Either you can post that value here or here. Okay, I may post that here. Now after this, HO account will be credited by another 12 and 3. This value becomes how much? 15,000. Because of that, additionally we get expenses 12,000 rupees and cash in transit rupees 3,000. Is that okay? This value being, 15,000 is included, then it becomes 24,000. Now it's matching. It is now matching. This is what about the reconciliation. This is what about the reconciliation. Clear? How do you pass you can prepare the ledger also in the books of branch office. HO account. What's the opening balance? Initially, we have 9,000 rupees because of the two transactions. Okay, expenses 12,000 rupees and cash in transit 3,000 rupees. The ultimate value being balance carried on 24,000. As we adjusted everything routed through branch office, there will not be any adjustments in the HO book. So in the HO's book, branch office account, there we already have the balance in the debit side, balance carried on, and we don't do any adjustments here, so that automatically becomes balance brought down. So this is called reconciliation. Is that okay? Now, goods sent from HO to branch office being 1,04,500. After adding the profit in this, we can prepare the trading and P&L account here. But this simple illustration. Let's see. Trading and P&L account. It's normal trading and P&L account, but you have to prepare in columnar form for both the entity. Trading and P&L account. We'll start with the opening stock. 10,000, 5,000. Purchases 1,15,000. Usually there will not be purchases for the branch. Sales 2,05,000. 1,55,000. Other expenses may be in P&L account. 15,200. 6,200. Closing stock 5,200 and 3,100. Instead of purchases, HO gets the stock from the HO. Branch office get the stock from the HO, that is equivalent to the purchases, like the stock receipt being 1,04,500 from HO to branch office. This amount, the same amount is already included here, and it should be goods sent from HO to branch office. Okay, this amount also included here. See, during the year, the head office sent the invoice 1,04,500 to the branch. The head office credits its sales account with the invoice price of the goods sent. This is already available. Else you have to show it separately. So this 2,05,000 related to the goods sent to the branch as well as sold directly at head office. Both will be available. That's all. Come on, get me the GP here. Then new reconciled one being this one, right? This will be the new trial balance. We get 12,000 additionally only in the branch office. Expenses by HO 6,200, so 12,000 rupees. Find out the GP. So 85,200. For the branch office, 1,58,100, 4,900, 4,900. But whenever the goods are sent from HO to branch office at invoice price, okay, that closing stock at branch may contain the profit added by the HO not realized. This will be called unrealized profit on unsold stock. The moment it goes outside the branch office, then it's a profit for HO and branch office. If it is remaining as a stock in branch office, any profit in that will be considered as unrealized profit, so you have to remove it. Cost being 100 and profit component being 25 rupees on that, and transfer price, invoice price being 125. Here 3,100 closing stock is at invoice price, then you can find out the profit component here using the cross multiplication. I think this value is 620. This unrealized profit should be reversed by debiting to either cost, means a P&L adjustment account, or simply in P&L account. So here unrealized profit, this one item extra you have to study in case of branch account, unrealized profit. Is that okay? That's all. And similarly, it is for the closing stock. What about the opening stock? Opening stock we have 5,000. 4,500. Okay. This is 4,500. If the invoice price of the opening stock 4,500, then what could be the profit here? It will be 900 rupees. Unrealized profit on opening stock. This is closing stock. Now finish off tallying this to get the net profit. So 70,280, 30,900. Final account system, especially independent branch style. Mr. Shaw and Co. commenced business on 1/4/2012 with head office at Mumbai and branch at Chennai. Purchases were made exclusively by head office, and where the goods were processed before sale. Raw materials purchased and processed. Raw material purchased and processed. Where? Only at head office. Only at head office. There was no loss or wastage in processing. Only the processed goods received from head office were handled by the branch. Okay, what's that? Processed goods. So they have two forms. One is raw material, another one is finished goods. The goods were sent to branch at processed cost plus 10%. While selling, it is cost plus 10%. Okay, cost plus 10%. Transfer price being cost plus 10%. All sales, whether by head office or by the branch, were at uniform gross profit of 25% on their respective cost. If the goods are sold to customers, okay, this will be cost to their concern by adding 25% with that. Similarly, here also cost to them plus 25%. But when you are transferring the goods from branch office to the customer, the price is pretty higher. If the cost for the HO being 100, they add profit rupees 25, and sale price being 125. What happens if you are selling that through branch office? Cost to HO 100, then profit added by HO beforehand. How much? 10% on that. The value what you get is nothing but transfer price for the HO transfer price for HO and cost for branch office. Cost for branch office. Am I right? Now from that they add profit 25%. If the cost being 110 for the branch, they will add 25%, 27.5. The sale price being 137.5. So from this it is very clear, if you are purchasing from the HO, you will get at rupees 125. If you are purchasing same from the branch office, the cost be 137.5. 137.5, bit higher. Probably HO may be Delhi, branch office may be in Trichy. So definitely if you are in Trichy, you will purchase by paying 137.5. That's what about your convenience. See, head office in Mumbai. If you want to purchase at a discounted price 125, you have to go to Mumbai. So what do you do? You can purchase in Trichy itself, in Chennai itself, by paying in higher amount. And the following trial balances are given. In case of branch no, you have to understand current account here. Head office current account. Branch office current account. Under head office, you will have the branch office. Means the amount recovered from the branch office, which is 3,89,800. Under branch, the amount payable to the head office will be appearing as current account, the value being 2,61,500. I know that these two should match, but now it is not matching. As it is not matching, come on, guess it. The difference between these two, 3,86,800, 2,61,500. The difference between these two is how much? 1,25,300. 1,25,300. Oh, okay. This one is 89,000. 1 lakh? Okay. 1,28,300. Now, goods sent to branch 9,24,000. Maybe as a sale, so it appears in the credit side of the HO. This may be purchases like for the branch, it will appear in the debit side. If you go to check the debit side, you get the details of goods received from HO, which is 880. Again, these two are not matching. What does it mean? The difference between these two, 44,000, could be goods in transit. Goods in transit. Clear? That's how you can guess it. And what about the remaining value? Maybe cash in transit and proxy transaction. And goods sent by the head office to the branch, 44,000 were not received by the head office, by the branch. We guessed it already. Anyhow, we confirm by seeing the working note, no problem. We confirmed already, anyhow, there's an working note. Remittances of 84,300 sent by the branch to head office was also similarly not received. Then it is called cash in transit, 84,300. So 84,300 being cash in transit. Come on, tell me, what is the balance you will get? I think you get the same balance. So further, we don't have any differences for proxy transactions, so leave it here itself. And we still have the stock taking at branch disclose a shortage. What does it mean? Abnormal loss. Should be credited in the trading account and debit to P&L account, that's all. In the case of unprocessed goods, this is what about the unprocessed goods stock, raw material stock. Prepared trading and profit or loss in columnar form and balance sheet also. We don't have what? We don't have closing stock of finished goods. Finished goods stock details is missing. This is available, this is missing. But you can get it because of the GP ratios given here. This is the clue. Now, remember, I am going to do slight change in the trial balance. Okay. In case of goods in transit, you can adjust this way, goods in transit. Goods in transit. I will adjust that in the HO's book. Because of that, so 44,000 will be debit side and it will be subtracted from the branch account. So 3,89,800 amount recoverable from the branch. From there, 44,000 is subtracted. In case of cash in transit, cash in transit account debit to branch account. That value being 84,300. 84,300. And after subtracting this, okay, the final value being equivalent to the value recoverable from as per the HO's book, you will get the same value 2 lakhs as per branch account 2,61,500. So this value is now changed 2,61,500. Clear? Now you have to prepare the trading and P&L account and all from these details. While preparing, no, what happens? The branch current account in the debit side and head office current account in the credit side are both seems to be the same value. Mutually cancel. We don't get any more value here. It is cancelled. We don't have any more value here. Rest of the things you can prepare like normal trading and P&L account hereafter. So these two are cancelled now. Hereafter you can prepare the trading and P&L account in columnar form. But in case of balance sheet, you have to prepare a consolidated format. Okay, let's see. So trading and P&L account. In columnar form. And balance sheet. Balance sheet being in consolidation form. HO, branch office, HO and branch office. We'll now start with few items up to goods sent to branch. Come on, join with me to solve this. It's very simple. Capital 3,10,000. You have to subtract the drawings from here. 55. 2,55,000. Purchases, debit of the trading account 19,69,500. Cost of processing cost, okay, direct cost 5,500. Sales in HO 12,80,000. Sales in branch 8,20,000. Goods sent to branch from HO to the branch office 9,24,000. That's all. Other expenses. Next set. Admin expenses should be posted in P&L account 1,39,000, 15,000. Selling expenses 56,200. Debtors 3,09,600, 113.6. 113.6. What is the total value? 4 lakhs 23,200. Creditors, the value being 6 lakhs 1,400. Okay, only one item. Bank balance 152 and 77.5. 2 lakhs 29,500. Oh, இருக்கா? Okay. 601.4, 10.8. What is the total then? 6 lakhs 12,200. Okay. Few more items. Goods received from HO 8 lakhs 80, which is the purchases like for the branch office. These two are mismatching, no problem. If you want to correct it, no, you have to correct it 9 lakhs 20 and then 44 should be posted to the other side. It's not sold, no. That way also you can work out, no problem. Okay. If you add that 44,000 here, that same remains as closing stock. Rather than you can simply skip that 44,000 directly. Okay, you can post here. Goods in transit 44,000. Cash in transit 84,300. 84,300. Now close the trading and P&L account. So closing stock here is shortage of stock being 20 can be posted here. Abnormal loss, abnormal loss 20 and 20. You can either post this as 20 and 20 or at its own cost also you can post. Okay, one second. Now let's see. One second. புரியுதா? Okay. Now இந்த ஃபாரின் பிரான்ச் சம் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறேன், கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ பார்த்து போட்டுருங்க அதை. இந்த கொஷினை ஒரே நிமிஷம் கவனிங்க. ஹெச்ஓ வந்து அதோடைய ட்ரையல் பேலன்ஸ் ருபீஸில் இருக்குது. பிரான்ச் ஆஃபீஸ் சிட்னியில் இருக்குது, அது ஆஸ்திரேலியன் டாலரில் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதை நீங்கள் வந்து என்னவா மாற்றணும், ருபீஸுக்கு மாற்றணும். மாற்றிட்டு இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி போட்டோமோ அது போட்டோம்னா இந்த சாப்டர் ஓவர். இதை மாற்றுறதுக்கு என்ன ப்ரொவிஷன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறத நீங்கள் அந்த வீடியோவில் கொஞ்சம் பாருங்கள். இஃப் யூ ஆர் கன்சிடரிங் த பிரான்ச் இன்டெக்ரல் ஆப்ரேஷனா நான் இன்டெக்ரல் ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸா அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்க்குறோம். ஓகே, இன்டெக்ரல் ஆப்ரேஷன்ஸாக இருந்தால் இன்கம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் எல்லாமே ட்ரேடிங் அண்ட் P&L அக்கௌண்ட்டில் போகிற எல்லா விஷயங்களும் எக்ஸப்ட் ஸ்டாக் ஆவரேஜ் ரேட் வச்சு நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோம். ஹியர் வி ஹவ் பீன் கிவன் ஃபோர் ரேட்ஸ்: ஓப்பனிங் ரேட், க்ளோசிங் ரேட், ஆவரேஜ் ரேட், அசெட் வாங்கும்போது இருக்கிற ரேட். அப்போ இதுக்கு இன்கமில் P&L அக்கௌண்ட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஐட்டம் எல்லாமே ஆவரேஜ் ரேட்டும், பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் இருக்கிற ஐட்டம் மணி லைக் டெட்டாஸ், கிரெடிட்டாஸ், பாண்டு, கேஷு இதெல்லாம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா க்ளோசிங் ரேட்டில் பண்ணோம். அதே சமயத்தில் நான் மானிட்டரி இருந்துச்சு அப்படி சொன்னாக்க பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணப்பட்ட அசெட்ஸாக இருந்தால் பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணும்போது இருக்கிற ரேட்டும், வாங்கின அசெட்ஸை ரீவேல்யூ பண்ணியிருந்தால் ரீவேல்யூவேஷன் பண்ணும்போது இருக்கிற ரேட்லையும் நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் இருக்கிற அசெட்ஸ் எல்லாமே எந்த டேட்டில் வாங்கணும் அந்த ரேட்டில். மற்ற மானிட்டரி அசெட்ஸ் லைக் டெட்டாஸ் அண்ட் கிரெடிட்டாஸ் வந்து க்ளோசிங் ரேட், க்ளோசிங் ஸ்டாக் வந்து க்ளோசிங் ரேட்டில் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகே, இஃப் யூ டேலி தென் டெஃபினெட்லி த நியூ பேலன்ஸ் ட்ரையல் பேலன்ஸ் வில் நாட் டேலி. அந்த டிஃபரன்ஸ் வந்து லாஸ், ப்ராஃபிட் ஆர் லாஸாக இருக்கும். அதை P&L நம்ம ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, அதை கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டு இதை சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டேங்க. இன்றைக்கி சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு கிளம்புங்க. ஸோ ஐம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கண்டினியூ த கிளாஸ். ஐம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கான்சன்ட்ரேட் ஆல்சோ. ஐம் நாட் ஃபீலிங் வெல். ஓகே, ஸோ ஐ வைண்ட் அப் மச் ஐ கெட். ஸோ அந்த சம் முடிச்சுட்டு கிளம்பிடலாம். ஓகேப்பா, see you then.
आए ऐसे बोला। एक ही बोला। அங்கதான் பத்தாம் தேதி கொடுத்துருக்காங்கல்ல இங்க போடுவாங்க டிபி ஒரு டேஸ் மேல மேல இருந்தா டான்ஸ் சர்டிஃபிகேட்டோட ஒன்லைன் சர்டிஃபிகேட் வந்து நான் அப்புறம் அவங்களுக்கு போட்டு விட்டுருவாரு Area of like 15 right for one third man. Pilihan untuk itu bagaimana dia beli anggaran
I'm available. Available. Yang itu yang apa? Ini apa yang kita ini? ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
Video yang antariksha time board
Same model rupees raw rupees
And which
Which in us.
remains